Welcome to AutoResolve. In this video, I'll show you a quick solution to fix multiplayer not installed error in Battlefield 6 on PC.
Fix 1. Install multiplayer content. Step 1. Open Steam library, right-click Battlefield 6, Manage. DLC. Step 3. Restart Steam and try launching the game. Fix 2. Verify game files. Step 1. Steam library, right-click Battlefield 6 properties. Local files. Step 2. Click Verify integrity of game files. Step 3. Wait for verification. Launch the game. Fix 3. Restart Steam and PC. Step 1. Exit Steam completely. Step 2. Restart your PC. Step 3. Open Steam. Launch Battlefield 6. Fix 4. Check EA Origin account. Step 1. Ensure Battlefield 6 is linked to your EA account. Step 2. Log into EA Origin. Confirm. Multiplayer content ownership. Step 3. Launch the game via Steam. Fix 5. Reinstall multiplayer pack, if needed. Step 1. Steam library. Battlefield 6 Manage. DLC. Step 2. Uninstall multiplayer pack. Step 3. Launch the game.